Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making mac and cheese, but not just any mac and cheese. We're making Vanessa's delicious mac and cheese. I don't know if you guys know, but there are levels to mac and cheese. There's ultimate mac and cheese, seafood mac and cheese, what you're bringing to the cookout mac and cheese, and then there's just, you know, everyday mac and cheese that tastes great. None of that packet store-bought stuff that just tastes powdery, and not mac and cheese that is just, I don't know, sometimes I feel like some of them is literally just the sauce. That is not macaroni and cheese. That is pasta and cheese sauce. Mac and cheese needs to be crispy on the top, nice and golden brown, creamy on the inside, oozing with that nice, delicious cheese sauce. Sorry guys, I'm just having like, what's that? I'm just like reliving the moment where I was eating it, but we're gonna make it today and I'm gonna show you a super easy step-by-step tutorial on how I make mine, and it comes out tasting absolutely mwah. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just do it. Click the notification bell so that you can get a notification when I do upload a video. Now let's get straight into it. Mwah.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
Alright guys, so to a pan we're gonna add some butter and let that melt. Don't make the butter brown because we're not making cookies, we're making mac and cheese. And then we're gonna add some flour until we create a roux. Here I'm just adding some of the milk, and make sure that you're whisking as you go along because we don't want our roux to be lumpy. We want it to be nice and smooth like that. Obviously the longer that you cook it, the darker it becomes. And then we're making our pasta. Here I'm using conchili pasta instead of like macaroni pasta, just because that's what I had, but use whatever you prefer. And then I'm putting in some garlic, and my secret ingredient, honestly guys, is this cream cheese. I love cream cheese, and I add this because I feel like it makes it really smooth and like creamy. You see? Oh, that looks so good. And I forgot to show you guys the seasonings that I use, but they're going to be down in the description box anyway, so have a look at that. I've added my seasonings and I'm giving it a mix, and make sure you taste as you go along, because once you add too much salt it's hard. But I don't like to add salt yet, I add it last because as you can see, cheese is already salty. So I've added my cheese and I've given it a mix, and here I'm using another type of cheese. Like I said guys, everything will be down in the description, so make sure you look at it and then you'll get everything there. Another secret that I do use is mozzarella. This is what makes it nice and stringy, and as you saw I added a little bit of salt because that was all that was needed. And this technique here is just sauce pasta until I get the consistency that I want. There you go. I lay everything and I leave it in the oven to get nice and crispy. Add my cheese, my mozzarella, my cheddar, my Leicestershire, and then look at that. Oh guys, it's nice and crispy on top, and like I said, it's gonna be gooey and creamy on the inside. Oh my gosh, like looking at this right now is just making me relive the moment when I was eating it. It was so yummy, so yummy.
Guys, we are done, and look at how this looks. We are done and it looks amazing. Just look at that guys. Ah, delicious. Obviously I've already got myself a slice, and this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, just look at that. Amazing. Again, I'm obviously gonna taste it. Oh, do you know what my favorite thing about mac and cheese is, guys? Is this crispy top. If your top is not crispy like this, what are we doing? So taste test. Taste test. Oh, it's creamy. Oh, you've got the core and everything. Oh my gosh. Now I'm not saying this because this is mine, but this is absolutely great. so good. I wish you guys were eating this with me. Or this will smack with some barbecue wings right now. If you're not dancing when you're eating, then I don't know. Like I said, guys, the full recipe is in the box down below. Try it out because it's amazing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.